Just got your hands on a brand new Epson EcoTank printer? Let us take you through the ink charging process to get you started. In your box, you'll find that along with your new Epson EcoTank printer, we've also included a Start Here guide, a software disk, a set of CYMK ink bottles, and a set of USB and power cables. First, let's remove the protective tapes from the unit. Now, we can start to fill up the printer ink tank with ink. On the control panel, you'll see the power button, the Wi-Fi status indicator, the Wi-Fi direct status indicator, the Wi-Fi button, the network status button, the black and white and color copy buttons, the stop button, and finally, the ink droplet and paper lights. Now, switch on the power and wait for the ink droplet light to turn orange. This means the printer is ready for ink charging. Press and hold the stop button for approximately 5 seconds to start the ink charging process. Once the light on the power button starts blinking, the ink charging is in progress. Grab a cup of coffee and take a break for about 10 minutes. Remember not to switch off the printer power during this time, as it will interrupt the ink charging process. Improper ink charge will cause damage to the printer's printhead. That's it! The ink charging process is complete, and you can now start printing with your Epson EcoTank printer.